Attention nursing students and anybody who is studying for the NCLEX, let's go over some types of solutions: isotonic, hypotonic, hypertonic, examples of that solution, and when you would use it. This printout is from the nursing school review section of my NCLEX course, in case you're interested. So let's start with isotonic solutions. This is when the solution on both sides of a selectively permeated membrane have established equilibrium, like they're the same in concentration essentially on both sides of the party. Now, some memory tricks: isotonic solutions, isoperfect, so there's no like fluid shift. Examples of this is normal saline, D5 in water. Let's move on to hypotonic. This is where the solution contains a lower concentration, and that means that you want to get the bodily fluids moving. So the movement of water into cells through osmosis, and it makes the cells swell and get nice and fat. So memory trick: hippo, a big fat hippo, hypotonic, makes the cells swell. Examples of this is half normal saline, or 0.45, and 0.33 sodium chloride is another example. Hypertonic, hyper, is when the solution contains a higher concentration of solutes than the rest. So this means they have a higher osmolality than the body fluids around it. Hypertonic person, very skinny. Hyper person, this is because we are moving water outside of the cells by osmosis. Examples of this type of solution you can see down here. We have 5% normal saline, 3% normal saline, D10 in water, D5 in normal saline. Lactated ringers is probably the most common example. I hope this helps you. You can screenshot it if it helps you, but if you want to get access to more of these little cheat sheets and stuff, it is located in the nursing school review section of my NCLEX program.